Hi, my name is Jasmeet. This is the seventh year that I am participating in Umeed 1000. This is a great cause where we are using cycling as a platform to raise awareness and funds for girl child education. It's an amazing feeling, to do this every year and see the children getting access to quality education. Our aim is to educate at least 10,000 girls by the year 2030. So please participate with us and donate generously to this cause on the link given below. Thank you and all the best.
I'm Nilesh Utturkar. I'm part of the risk team in RBL Bank, and I'm participating in Umeed 1000 initiative taken by the bank to help educate girl child. And it's quite an experience. This is my second cyclothon, and this is a unique event which no other entity can replicate. And every pedal I push and every mile I cover gives a girl child a hope, a glimmer of hope. And I would request all to donate generously so that the girl child gets educated. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Jaiswal. I'm a part of Cyclothon since last year. So this is the second year that I'm participating in this noble cause. So we are cycling 1,000 kilometers for girl child education, which is for the school called Udbhav. So I would urge all of you to donate towards this noble cause where the girl child gets an opportunity to study, educate herself and explore the opportunities that life has to offer to her. So please donate is what I urge to you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dhanesh Srinivasan. I'm from Team HR. I've been a thorough sports enthusiast since childhood. I've represented myself in various levels and various sports. Umeed 1000 has given me a platform to connect my passion with a global cause, which is educate girl child. Now my passion has got an additional wing, and now I can, my mind, my soul and my heart thrives together to do something better for the betterment of our largest society. I've been associated with Umeed 1000 since last 3 years, and I think now I feel very proud about the bit which I could do for the society. Request one and all to donate generously, because together we can and we will. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Sunil Mundra. I am associated with the Umeed Cyclothon since inception. This is my 5th year when I am doing cyclothon. This is a great cause. I am associated on this event because of the cause which it has, a girl child education, which is a great cause. I feel educating a girl child means educating the entire family and entire nation. So that's the thing which motivates me. I personally feel everybody should contribute towards the girl child education, whichever they can contribute, physically, monetary wise, or whichever way. I think it's a great opportunity in front of all of us, and everybody should generously contribute through their friends, family, acquaintance, and whichever mode they can. Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning all. I am Harshada Surve. I am part of GTS team, and this is my second year for Umeed 1000 Cyclothon. And this cause is basically to support the girl child education, and our bank is have 2 Udbhav schools at Hyderabad, and I am supporting all this girl child education so that our nation can become more powerful in terms of girl child education, and our nation, we can take our nation much ahead, and this is the cause where I am requesting all of you to please donate as much as you can possible, and this is chance to come ahead and give the support for the cause. Please donate and support ourselves. We are riding, and we are trying to complete 1,000 kilometers to support the girl child education. Please donate, please donate. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Nikhil D'Souza and I'm from the marketing team. This is my first time with the cyclothon. About a year back, I travelled to Hyderabad and I had the privilege to meet the children of the RBL Udbhav school. All of them were so enthusiastic, and as soon as they came to know that I'm an RBL Bank staff member, they started showing gratitude and appreciation for the gift of education that they've received through this institute. Well, I've started cycling now after a gap of around 15 years. So this 1000 kilometers is a tough task for me. However, when I think about the kids, that's what motivates me. I'm doing it for them. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Danny George from RBL Bank HR department, and I've been associated with Umeed 1000 for the last 7 years, being part of the HR department, managing fundraising and all. I've started cycling for the first time this year, was detected with COVID 1st October, and after COVID I thought it's important for me to get fit, and no better way to do something good for the girl-child education. I believe educating a girl child definitely educates the entire nation. My request to all of you all is please, generously contribute to the initiative, however small or big that you can contribute, but please help us with your contribution. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nidhi. I am associated with RBL Bank for the last 2 years, and I'm associated with the cause also since the last 2 years. I would request everybody to please support the cause and donate generously. Girl child education is a great equalizer for women employees like me. Well, we are fortunate to come from fortunate backgrounds, however other girls are not, and that's why I would request and urge everybody to support the cause. It's really important because I feel that the platform that has been provided to me should be the same platform that should be provided to every girl. Thank you, and thanks to all the volunteers who've been a part of this. Kudos to everybody who's been working very hard behind the scenes, and thank you Shanta for this great opportunity. Alright, love you guys.